A little fun with the tractors. Got the old Craftsman fired up over there. And I'm going to take this Craftsman right here and the Jacobs in there in the background that are just carcasses, and we're scrapping those out today. So I'm going to just drag them out of here, take my scrap. So let's get to it. Alright, so as you can see, got that out of the way. Sorry if I'm a little sweaty and ugly looking here. Kind of warm out today. But what I did, I got all the tractors over here so that I can start stripping them. Get them ready to go to the scrapyard today. I already pulled transmission out of that one. That 42-inch Craftsman over there and that Jacobson have to have the transmissions pulled. That's got a, what do you call that, a spicer in it, and that one's got a tough torque, I believe, for the tighter static. But I'm going to keep them both for spares, so get that one flipped up against the truck here and get to work on that. Yes, this was once a battery-powered impact, but it's one of them cheap, crappy ones with the NiCad battery, and it would die in like 10 minutes. So, wires on there soldered onto where the battery went, and this was a 14.4 volt, so I just run it off a jumper pack. It actually works way better than the original battery. I swear to God, this thing has twice the snot running off a car battery than it does the standard battery that came with it. That looks like that's going to be tons of fun. So, start on this first. Alright, let's get to it. This tire is going to have to come off. Maybe not, somebody already took the bolt out of that side. Try a different one. Come on. Alright. I gotta pause this for a moment. Gotta get some different tools. Alright, so I got it broke loose. Had to go get a ratchet and a wrench. But unfortunately, in the process of removing the tire, as I'm sure you can already see, the axle decided it was going to come out. Good thing I was going to open this rear end for some modifications anyway. I think I just blew the snap ring off it when I was beating on it, that's all. No big deal, we'll still proceed. Alrighty. Oops. Should just about do it for that spicer. Alright. So now the fenders and everything's off. Got the gas tank unbolted. I'm going to pull that. A couple other small things, and that frame's going to go on the pile. It's kind of a shame it was cracked. It's make a pretty nice stretch mobile, but the frame's pretty crusty on this one, and everything's stuck and froze up, and I don't feel like going through all the work just to free everything up. I'd rather use it for parts. A little water in there. Matter of fact, I think that's about it for that one. Just turn our attention to that Jacobson now.